New course authors in the market for a learning management system should familiarize themselves with the pricing models of LMSs. Different systems have different features and will run at different rates depending on the features included. Flat fee pricing is based on a monthly or annual basis. You pay a single price every month or year, and your platform can host an unlimited number of learners. Another model is paying per registered user. This is self-explanatory. If a learner registers for your course, you pay for that learner whether they take the course or not. The third model is similar, paying per active user. A learner can register for your course, but you'll only pay for that learner if they actually take the course. Ready to learn more? Check out the How to Create an Online Course Masterclass and get started today.